House number 297A, Saberti Olim, Salche, Goa. You have been duly elected to be a member of South Goa Jilla Panchayat from the constituency 12 Benavli, reserved for OBC, and in token thereof, I have granted to him certificate of election. Place Margam, Goa, date 24/6/2020.
ಹಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹಂಗೆ ये समते आगे यहाँ पे रखते कर समते जो जो तो